Hi, this is Jennifer Griffin with GoFetch Marketing. This is a quick video tutorial for Ascend Healthcare Advisors on how to check the forms that are coming through from the website on the back end. Once you're logged in, you just go to the dashboard, go under Avada, hover over it, scroll down to Forms, and from there you can see the two forms on the website. And let's just go to the one that's got the most. I think this one up here was just a test one. So you view the entries and you can see these are duplicates that have come through. So I don't know why they entered it 3 times, but they did. This one has already been sent to you, and then a few of the others were tests. So that's how you see it. If you want to see the details of the actual form, all you have to do is click on View on All Details, and this will come up, and you can take a screenshot of it, or you can actually export entries also. So when you export entries, it goes into a CSV file. It downloads on that, and then you can open that up in Excel or convert it to Excel. So it really is that easy to check it. Hopefully this will hold you over till we can figure out why the notifications aren't coming through via email. That's it. Thanks.